Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can implement data validations and conditional formats on Google Sheet using make.com. So you don't have to hire us to do this for you. So what I mean exactly by this, so it's pretty easy to update information, to update a cell, get range values and so on. But sometimes getting Google Sheets to do something as simple as just having a Boolean value, but also conditional formatting can be complicated. So I'm going to show you how. So first thing first, it's important to send multiple variables. Why? Because that range, it's used a lot. So you would highly want to get that information from somewhere else so you can plug it into the API call. And what we're doing here is we're just adding Google Sheets and then clicking here on the final option, which is make an API call. Once we have that and you have your connection done, so you are going to need to include spreadsheets slash, notice how first there's no need to include anything else. And then the spreadsheet ID, which you can get by just going to the sheet. And this is the value right here that we're using. And finally, we're including this with batch update. So this is specifically the endpoint that we're going for to make a post. And here is where it gets tricky. You'll need to use this body. And I'm using Visual Studio here because it's a easier way to look for this data, at this information, and I'm going to kind of guide you through the structure. So the first thing that we have here is we're going to include this in a JSON structure, and we're going to include request and set validation. So this is the first step to make it the condition to be Boolean. So either true or false, and if you want it to be strict or not, right? And as I was mentioning, here is important to start the row index to include that information to check the range where it's going to apply. Then you can also include everything related to, so in each cell, what we're going to use is formatted according to what we need. So we might want some horizontal alignment, some padding in between that cell. And here, as you can see, this is something completely different. One is for the data validation. Another is for the format. And here, this is the structure that you're going to need for conditional format. So in this case, when something turns to false, then you will have the bottom or the cell turn to red, right? So here, as you can see, we're using Boolean rule. The condition, if it's changes to true, then we're going to use this format, which has one specific background color, which is the green one. And same case with the text format. We wanted to keep it white so it's visible. Also, we are including the option for false. So this is overall the structure. You can tweak it. I'll be sharing this blueprint so you can use it in your workflows. And yeah, I mean, this is a great way where you can start using this in your reports and to have more structured input data or output data so you can manage it more easily. So let me know if you have any comments. Bye.